So I'm out here jogging, running, walking, enjoying nature, hot day. Anyway, I've noticed that maybe you do this too. When I go past people or see people, if I don't know them, I'm always like, all right then, a little head nod down. All right, how you doing? But if I know them, always is what's up. Always head nod up. What's up? All right, you know. Maybe it's just me. Think about it next time you. All right then. What's up to somebody? You know them. You don't know them. Okay. All right. How you doing? Whew, it's hot.